Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Globe Electric 51445 Parker 3 Light Chrome Vanity Light Fixture paired with the 51368 Fin 4-piece polished chrome bathroom hardware accessory kit. This stunning set features a rustic refined design that effortlessly modernizes any bathroom, bedroom, or kitchen decor with its clean, simple, and updated vintage style. The vanity light fixture measures 24.63 inches wide, 11 inches high, and 7.92 inches deep from the wall, with each clear glass shade measuring 6.5 inches wide and 5.32 inches high, making it perfect for various spaces like hallways, entryways, closets, and more. The all-in-one bathroom accessory kit includes a matching towel bar, toilet paper holder, towel ring, and robe hook, all finished in a sleek modern chrome that adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. With its modern contemporary design, this set is sure to upscale any bathroom decor, providing both functionality and style. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or simply looking to add a touch of sophistication, this Globe Electric set is the perfect choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.